If
You just called
fat.
me? No, oh,
Yeah, I'll
don't
just go
stop
ahead.
it. Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so I got it all over my hands.
It's okay. If it's dripping.
Yeah, because I'm not
yeah,
gonna put
good.
anything
Thank you.
that doesn't look great on my little website. And
Right, because remember acetone. You ever pour gasoline and try to pour
I
gasoline?
have.
It's weird because gasoline is volatile. It doesn't pour like water. It doesn't pour like
hello,
normal,
how are you?
normal liquids.
Hello, how can I help you?
That's my son.
Oh,
He said that's
My son.
he
Oh,
got
okay.
the keys. He looked just like you too. Hello, how are you?
Yep.
But you said do it with a one hand motion.
No, I was just moving everything to the table with the money instead of going back and forth, back. You know. There you go. You got this. Right. So see how you waited to like right. It has to be like kind of. But no, you did do it
Do it
correct
again?
because it did suck, but it just wasn't a good
Fast-
suction. on
fast
it. Right.
enough?
Right. So it's in out. There. Perfect. Fast learning. Fast learning. You good. And when you blow it out, you gotta hold it and like kind of really blow it out. Cause blow it out normally, or you can keep your flame right. If you that talented and skilled, keep it going. Yeah, you ain't gotta relight it. No, and that's good because some practitioners in Asian traditional Chinese medicine, yeah, their flame is always constantly.
How do
burning.
you take it off?
All right, so when we take it off, we kind of bend it to the side. This finger goes right here, and just press it into the skin. So you did a really good one. That was good suction. Right, perfect.
Now, can you do it along the spine or no? That's spine is still a no-no.
You can because her spine right here, I move it across the spine at the lower part, like the lumbar area, because our lumbar area is a little bit thicker, the lumbar fascia. Up here, I would be careful, like C1 to C7, T1 to about maybe T8, maybe T6. Because some people's spines, they start to show, like if they're showing, oh yeah, no, I wouldn't, because it's like too bony. You're going across a bony landmark, that feels awkward.
How's that?
That's perfect. Oh, yeah, I got you.
She on about.
Yeah, all right. See, that's skill right there, and that's how it's actually supposed to be real fast,
Go
like that.
ahead.
Because there's practitioners, they put them cuffs on real fast, like they don't waste no time, because it's time consuming. It'll take you well more than an hour.
Your preference, glass versus the silicone, or?
I love glass
But
because it's
how,
always gonna
are
be
they all
stronger.
tight though?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, wait. But yeah,
See,
you
the
did it.
glass
See how
is
the skin
stronger.
came in? Right. And as long as you look at the skin will pull. You see it sucking. As long as you see the suction of the skin.
I don't have.
That's
I
a
ran
suction.
out of space. What you
What
want
about
now?
the shoulder?
No, you didn't room. You didn't room. I was like, we'll move this one up, move this one up. Shoulders, we're gonna use a smaller cup.
Oh, small.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, who's wrong? All right, so now we got 4 more cup spaces. And actually, these two we can use for because there's the smaller ones.
No, it's on everything.
Actually, these two. Oh, this is small. Yeah, these two. These two are gonna be like for her neck area and shoulder. Gonna be kind of hard to get to, but you can do it. It's the same thing. Also, we'll use a new cotton ball. That's okay. Or if you can do it, I mean, yeah, it's still lighting, but go fast. Did it do it?